Hello! We are back again, Flavour Chasers. Now, because this channel is literally nothing without you lot, I put it to the poll on my Instagram to decide what tonight's video will be. Unanimous decision, ramen noodle bowl, spicy ting, boiled egg, pak choy, mushrooms, tender stem broccoli, ramen noodles, just lovely broth with ginger and chilli and garlic. It's a wavy ting. Scotch egg tomorrow. But for now, ramen noodle. Like and subscribe, baby. If you want, it's up to you. I'd like you to though. I like spending time with you lot here.
Flavour Station. Flavour Station.
Right then, bloody, we're gonna need about 3 inches of hot oil, a hard-boiled egg. There's a link below for a video how to do that, but you know how it goes. Let's test the oil. Hot enough? See the sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. We're gonna go with tofu. That's lovely tofu. Now you want to drain your tofu and towel it and dry it, and there's also a video down in the channel for that. But we're not going to waste no time with that. We're making a spicy ramen noodle bowl. This should be like a 15-20 minute dish, and it's lovely. Boil your egg, have everything ready. We're going to pre-do this thing. Get yourself some blue roll or kitchen roll. Gets rid of all the fat. You don't want the fat in there. Bomba, there's something not good, man. You don't want no fat there on the plate. And I rise to the top of the broth and them thing there. I'm going to show you how to make the broth, the stir-fried veg, everything. Coca noodles, home bargains, 29p. Look, ramen, there we go. Gonna need your sauce base powder and sesame oil. But before we continue, subscribe, baby. We have a good old time over here, I'm telling ya, boy. Now, all you want to do is put your sauce base in there. That's your powder sachet and your oil. Sesame oil, beautiful flavour. Couple garlic cloves, crush them. Bit of garlic, right? You want to just take the skin off the garlic. Chopper. No messing, bloody. Slice that. We're going to strain this, you see, so it's not really that big of a deal. 1 star anise. 10 peppercorns. Boiling water. It's a beautiful dish as well. Oh, eat it with chopsticks and one of them spoons. Give it a mixer. Rotted. Soy sauce. Loads of that, I'd say. A tablespoon. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Now, a bit of oil in a pan. Noodles in there. See it? It's all coming together. Get your bowl ready. Now, we're going to treat this like a flat top. Like a grill. Like a char grill sort of. Get your veg in there. We've got tender stem broccoli, baby corn sliced down the middle, chestnut mushrooms. It's a perfect combination for a ramen bowl. They're about halfway cooked now. See them there? And then my fall apart. And just keep your eye on these. And now just cook on their own. You haven't got to faff around. Look, see, you flip it, it's brown. Don't mess around. Never gonna give you up. I love ramen as well, man. I've never been to a ramen joint, to be fair. I've never actually been somewhere, but I like making it. So just cook your veg. You want it al dente. Move that to the side. Pak choy. Pak choy is basically a lettuce, I think. It's kind of like leafy. My rabbits love it. But yeah, you just want to put that down and char the bad boy. See that there? Flipper. Oh, it's lovely. Look at it. How can you not like this stuff? Yes, man, tofu back in there. Just heat it through again. Your ramen noodles looked about cooked. And you're having a good time. Now look, jeez. Get your noodles, don't have to drain them. Just get your noodles in there. Now we're assembling. Avengers Assemble, innit? We're assembling the noodle. Oh, yes, noodle straight out of there, all that liquid. Your pak choy laid across, so. Oh, your tofu. Imagine post-gym, you're laughing, you know. Bare protein, apart from the fact the tofu's deep fried, but use your roll. You wanna have a little finesse look, line them up nicely. The mushrooms marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. Now, listen with me, I said, you have to strain that. See your hard-boiled eggs, you have to strain it. You don't want lumps in it, man. It's got to be a nice soup. It's got to be beautiful. Look at it, how it fills up. I'm telling you, you can never test me, blood, ever. Oh, some strips of red pepper. What we going? Spring onion, coriander. Man, don't step to me. It's Flavour Station. Come on, look. You can do this in 20 minutes, blood. I'm telling you. And it's so tasty. Bomba, look on this something. Everything shine up. Crunchy veg, soft. tofu, and just egg.
Flavor Station.